Hi everyone, Greg Davis down in the MarineMax location in Savannah. Wanted to give you a quick look at a new 2020 Sea Ray 21 SPX outboard. We just got it in, got it unwrapped. Wanted to give you a quick walkthrough. Comes with a galvanized tandem axle trailer, the Horizon Blue, the blue canvas Bimini. This one's equipped with a MERCURY 150 4-stroke outboard, ski pylon in the back. This one has the SeaDek on the swim platform. I'll give you a quick walkthrough. Step up into the cockpit here. Give you a good look at the layout. A ton of room inside. This one is equipped with the second helm seat, digital dash, which is new from Sinrad this year, Fusion stereo, stainless steel package on this one, connectivity ports, lockable storage up here in the front, lots of room in the bow, 2 speakers up front. Looking in the back, ski locker in the floor, ton of storage in this boat. The whole back deck lifts up, gives you storage for everything you'd want to take for a day on the water. If you'd like more information on this Sea Ray or any boat that we carry, please contact MarineMax Savannah, 912-897-9881. Thanks.